Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions to add contact to workflow and how to remove contact from workflow using HubSpot. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, you just have to open the timeline. And from this page, you just have to click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. And the first timeline action that we'll be creating is add contact to workflow. So I'll be setting this up 15 minutes before the webinar starts. And I'll be selecting registrants. And from here, let's select HubSpot. And from this action, let's select add contact to workflow. And then let's select the workflow we want contacts added to. And once you're satisfied with everything, just click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added that timeline action. The last action that we'll be creating is the action to remove contact from workflow. So again, just click on create action from the upper right. And this time, let's set it 15 minutes after the webinar. And again, let's select, this time, let's select non-attendee. And then let's select HubSpot again. And we want to remove contact from workflow. So let's scroll down. So let's add them to this workflow and just click on create at the bottom once you're satisfied. And we have successfully added both timeline actions. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, leave us a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.